Why saving alone won't make you rich. This is one of the biggest money myths most people grow up believing. From a young age, we're told the same advice. Save your money, put it in the bank, and you'll be financially secure. And while saving money is definitely important, it's only one part of the equation. The real problem is this: money sitting in a savings account usually grows very slowly. In many cases, the interest you earn from a traditional savings account is just a few percent a year, sometimes even less. Meanwhile, the cost of living keeps rising every single year because of inflation. Inflation quietly reduces the purchasing power of your money. That means the same amount of money buys less and less over time. For example, something that costs $100 today might cost $120 or $130 in the future. So if your money is only growing slowly in a savings account, you're barely keeping up. And in some cases, you're actually falling behind. This is why wealthy people don't rely on saving alone. They focus on investing. Investing allows your money to grow through assets like stocks, businesses, and real estate. For example, over long periods of time, the average return of the S&P 500 has historically been around 7 to 10% per year after inflation. That's a huge difference compared to most savings accounts. This doesn't mean saving is useless. Saving is important for emergency funds, short-term goals, and financial security. But saving alone usually isn't enough to build significant wealth. To grow wealth, your money needs to be working for you. And that's the key difference. When you only save, you're relying on your income. But when you invest, you start building multiple streams of growth. Your money begins generating returns. Those returns generate more returns. And over time, that growth can become incredibly powerful. So the smartest strategy is simple. Save for safety, but invest for growth. Welcome to the Practical Millionaire, where wealth is built practically.